here at Goodison Park to pay tribute to Tom Gracie, one of the fallen of Everton FC. Tom was born in Glasgow in 1889. He was a qualified bookkeeper. He turned his hand to professional football, playing initially for Shawfield Juniors and subsequently for Strathclyde, Airdrieonians, Hamilton and Morton. It was while he was with Morton that Tom travelled to Goodison Park to play a home international game against England. The game ended in a 1-1 draw in front of 38,000 people. Tom signed immediately after the game for Everton, probably impressed by the new Mauritania stand. Tom made his debut for Everton in a 1-0 win away at Blackburn Rovers at Ewood Park. He scored for Everton on his home debut against Nottingham Forest in a 2-1 win. He made 13 appearances for Everton before he crossed the park and joined Liverpool. He made 33 appearances for Liverpool, scoring 5 goals. In August 1914, he returned to Scotland and played for Hearts. He then joined the military and served as Corporal 19024, joining Geordie McRae's battalion of the Royal Scots. Tom went on to score 29 times for Hearts in that season, all the more remarkable given that he was suffering from leukemia at the time. Tom's brother, John Bell Gracie, fell at the Battle of Lewes on the 28th of September 1915. We can only imagine the grief of the family at that time. Tom never got the chance to serve overseas, as he lost his life at the Stobhill Hospital in Glasgow on the 23rd of October 1915. He was aged just 26. Once again, we can only imagine the grief that the family suffered, the loss of 2 sons in such a short space of time. Tom's death, following John Bell Gracie's death, was less than a month apart. John Bell Gracie now rests at Bethune Town Cemetery in France, and Tom lies at Craigton Cemetery in Glasgow. Tom is now featured on the panels at the back of Goodison Park. His name and his battalion, the Royal Scots, is recorded in perpetuity. Tom featured in a matchday programme on the 5th of November 2022, and he is also featured in the Fallen of Everton FC booklet, which is available to download at efcheritagosociety.com.